Meaning of Four Quartets.
Four Quartets.
Four Quartets.
Four Quartets.
Four Quartets. Four Quartets is a collection of 4 poems written by T.S. Eliot, published in 1943. Each poem explores various themes, including time, memory, and the human condition, and they are often considered to be Eliot's greatest achievement as a poet. The title Four Quartets refers to the 4 parts or sections of the collection, with each section consisting of a separate poem. Ultimately, Four Quartets is a complex and deeply philosophical work that challenges readers to confront fundamental questions about existence and spirituality.